Checkmating with two minor pieces, knight and bishop, is not straightforward. If you are the attacker, you must coordinate your pieces correctly to push the opponent's king to a corner of the same color as your bishop. If you are on the defense, you must prolong this and try to force your opponent to make a mistake. Who knows, you may reach a stalemate. Control the center. King to e6, followed by bishop to c7, would have already trapped the king towards the checkmating corner. Starting to coordinate the pieces near the middle and taking away key squares from the opponent. The defending king would love to move back to c6. This move takes away that primary square. It's now time to force the king to the checkmating corner. The knight maneuvers into position, aiming to land on c7 to take away the a8 square from the king. Once you place a piece to take away one square, do not lose control of that square until you take away the next square over. Covering b8, hence freeing the knight to maneuver to control c8 next. The knight is headed for e7 to control c8, and along the way blocks the king from escaping the edge via e7. The king tries to escape, protecting a7 so the knight can go there. Closing the distance to the corner.